YouTubers, welcome along. Your boy Bomber today has got something a little bit different. We can't go riding, so instead what we're going to do is we're going for a run. Enjoy.
Exploring new lands. Alrighty, which way are we going to go? I reckon we go this way. Yeah boy, a little bit moist underfoot. There's been a lot of rain lately. So I normally do road runs. Not very familiar with these kind of tracks. Here you go. Golf course. Let's do it, eh? Yeah. Up and away. There's a clubhouse. Gotta wait for it to have a shot. And away we go. Hello. Your boy's getting tired. Where are we at now? I'm about 4 k's into my run. Main roads? No. Let's see where this takes us. Whew.
Yeah. Still going. But getting tired.
So there's a trail down there, but I don't know if you can see, very muddy, so I'm sticking to this one. See where this takes me. Up and down. Painful. Alright, I've come to the end of the path. I'm at least 2 suburbs away. What they've built here is a swimming pool. Let's keep going. Can't really see through the bushes, but there's definitely a pool in there. It's all covered up at the moment. We're in April, so you could still swim. Alright, back to the run. More going uphill. So this is more like what I'm used to, just path running. I basically leave my house and just run. There are some tracks that I'm very familiar with when I want to do my 10k runs and stuff, but this one today is just trying to make a video for you guys at the same time, so my time isn't going to be the best, but at least I'm outdoors, yeah? Getting down towards the home stretch now. Got about 1 kilometre to go, just over. So guys, sorry it's not motorcycle related, but still, I'm sharing. So I wouldn't mind a thumbs up, a comment, a subscribe, something. Keep us motivated, keep us going, living life at 100%. Go, go, go.